Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the system, turn off the thermostat and the breaker so the fan won't kick on. Next, you remove the existing grill, locate screws or spring clips, then unscrew or depress clips while supporting the vent. Use a putty knife to loosen paint or caulk if sealed. You're doing this now so you can inspect the duct opening and measure accurately. Proper measurement ensures the replacement fits and seals correctly. Once the grill is off, vacuum and wipe the duct throat to remove dust and debris. This improves airflow and prevents dust from entering your replacement. Inspect the damper and flange. If bent or corroded, straighten or swap parts to ensure the vent closes properly. Dry fit the new vent to verify alignment, trim any excess from the flange or adjust screw locations so the face sits flush. These steps prevent rattles, leaks, and an efficient airflow once reinstalled. You finish by sealing gaps with foil HVAC tape or foam to stop leaks and fastening the grill snugly but not over-tighten to avoid cracking. Restore power, set the thermostat and feel the airflow, make sure it's steady and quiet. If you notice whistling, vibration, or poor flow, turn the system off and check alignment. Loosen screws, reposition the vent, and add small foam shims if needed. That one troubleshooting tip: realign before replacing hardware. Fixes most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.